Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys when I go camping, like when I'm packing for camping, because I'm going camping on July 4th, and I hope you guys have a great day on July 4th. And yeah, it's almost my dog's birthday. Here's my little puppy, she's so cute. And it's almost her birthday because it's on July 26th. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be packing. So let me just get the stuff. So guys, I have this cute shirt. It's really pretty. And since I don't have a luggage, I'm going to be using it back because everybody has luggage. Except for me. My luggage is still in my camper. Next thing we have is 3 pairs of underwear. I only have 2 because I'm wearing some. Like that. And then we have this cute shirt. It says, let me just get 1 second. Alrighty, so we got Mad Cool Fresh. Mad Cool Fresh. It's really cute. I love it. And then we have these shorts because it's really hot in Nebraska. Oh, Nebraska. Go to Nebraska. It's really hot. We're not going to Alaska. So we're going to Nebraska. It's really hot there. And then we have these other cute shorts. We have these cute shorts. Stripes. And yeah, and then we have these shorts too, and this tank top, so it's really hot. And then we have this, it's like a belly shirt, like crop top, but I pull it down since we're going to church, and we're going with the church. So it has this. Let's pack this in. And then, since it's really cold at the night, I got these fuzzy little pants. I'm itching a lot because like I have sweat coming down and then like it's really itchy. And then we have these pants since it gets really cold at the night. It's like really cold at the night, but in the morning it's like, in the daytime it's like really hot. And then we have a sweater, just a really big sweater, just in case. And then we have a swimming suit. This is the underwear for it. But I'm like going to be taking this because I don't like showing it off. So I'm going to be taking these. Give me a second. Alright, so I got this. These are the shorts that I'm going to be wearing. And let me just get the top. Just give me a second. And I also have this top. It's a mermaid top. It's the mermaid top with these like a crisscross with the shorts like this. But since I don't like the underwear, I'm going to be taking the shorts. So I'm going to put that in the back. And then, since I can't sleep without like a teddy, I'm going to be taking 1 teddy. So I got this plushie and this sweater. You could take it off and put it on. It has SeaWorld on it. You guys can see SeaWorld. Guys, I don't think you guys can see, but I do have it. And I can't go out without a teddy, so I have to bring a teddy. So we might, hold on, just put you guys back. So we might, so I think we're gonna stay there for about 3 days. I mean 4 or 3. I don't know, but I bought that clothes so that you guys could see if you guys are going camping and what to bring and not what to not bring. And yeah, guys, so guys, if you guys don't know where I'm gonna be filming from now on, I'm gonna be filming here. I'll be right back. So this is where I'm gonna be filming from now on. This is like my little space, and then I have everything here. So guys, let's give you a tour in part 2. So make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe and hit that like button and check out part 2 so that I could give you guys a little tour of my new house. So yeah, bye guys. Love you, peace. And before we go, I just want to tell you guys to say I'm gonna say happy birthday to her because it's her early birthday. She's really tired because she's like a little pup. So she's adorable. So yeah guys, and I will also giving you guys a room tour. And you guys kind of got a room tour. So I just came back. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a room tour in part 3. You guys, when I come back from camp, we're going to do a room tour, and I will make a video on camping, part 4. No, it's gonna be 3, and the room tour will be 4. So yeah, guys, and yeah, I'm gonna be filming in camping because filming is my life. And yeah, guys, so go ahead and check out part 2, and then 3, and then 4. And it's gonna be really cool, and I'm gonna film another video, part 5, when it's my little puppy's birthday. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment and share and subscribe and hit that thumbs up so that you could be and then hit that bell so that you could be notified when I post a new video. And subscribe, hit that like button, comment so then you guys can get a shout out. So guys, yeah, bye, love you, peace.